Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage where today we are not working on the Street Fighter. We are working on the R9T Racer today, but I want to give you guys this. If you guys have come over from the Street Fighter, I appreciate you guys coming over, and I'm going to give you guys a little spoiler on what's next on the Street Racer and what video is coming up. So I'm going to give you guys a little teaser. So, question. To wing or not to wing? Now, I haven't seen it without wings, so this is going to be your guys' first look at it, okay? And that's all you get because this is an R9T Racer video. But stay tuned. I appreciate your guys' support on the V4S, so thank you guys. But the wing video is coming, so stay tuned. Now, R9T Racer guys, thank you guys for coming back. I've got a couple questions for you guys. There's a viewer out there that sent some carbon fiber pieces to Eddie to have dipped. If that viewer is watching this, comment down below. I would like to get some pictures of your R9T Racer and I would like to post them on our Instagram channel. So if you had the work done by Eddie for carbon fiber dip, hit me up in the comments down below. I would love to share your racer on our Instagram channel. Now, let me tell you real quick, we have the BOS header, which you guys have seen, you guys have heard. Oh my God, have you guys heard it? But huge shout out again to Eddie. Eddie, thank you, I love you so much. This bike absolutely looks gorgeous. Carbon fiber dip, Dravit Gray from the M8 competition, just absolutely gorgeous. But as you guys know, I've got the Two Bros exhaust on here and I love it, don't get me wrong. But when BOS announced that they were releasing a limited edition Boxercup muffler, which is what their sponsored Boxercup muffler is, limited edition, I jumped right on it. Now, I'll tell you, I contacted BOS when they announced it and I was like, hey, how quickly, can I get my hands on one of these sooner than later? And this was back in January. Now, they said February, March, we're gonna be releasing them to the public, and I was like, not really public, come on, shoot me a little bit. They said, look, we'll send it out beginning of March. Beginning of March happened, they send it out, and guess what? Shutdown happened. It sat in customs for 2 months, and it finally showed up last week, so I'm super grateful. So we're gonna be unpacking that, but nothing wrong with the Two Bros exhaust. It probably only has 500 miles. If you guys are interested in the Two Bros exhaust, hit me up in the comments down below. I am going to be selling that, so hit me up in the comments down below. But let's get into this thing. Let's get it unpacked. Let's get it installed. Let's do a before and after sound clip on the R9T Racer and see how this thing sounds. All right, guys, so let's get into this unboxing of the BOS exhaust because you know, I felt like this was gonna happen. I felt like BOS was really gonna make this a special package, and I'm glad that they did. Thank you, BOS Exhaust. So in the package, they sent me a nice little hat. Let's see what else we have. Looks like, oh, look at this, a nice little hoodie. A nice BOS Exhaust hoodie. Super nice, super nice. Unfortunately, it's a large, and I'm slightly larger than a large. So, sounds like that's Bogman's new hoodie. Let's see, I kind of already looked in, I kind of peeked in here, but I really didn't get into it much. So this is the exhaust can, and oh, look at this thing. And on the back, we've got a little limited edition plate and everything, so very, very nice, but look at that thing. That thing is just gonna look so beautiful on this bike. And with the BOS header, oh. All right, let's see, I think that's that. And then we've got a little box back here. Let's see what's in this. This is all the mounting. Sorry, I'm being loud. Looks like this is all the mounting, the tubing, the bracket, and everything. So let's go ahead and get this all unpacked. Let's go ahead and get the exhaust all together. And then we'll move to the other side of the bike. We will demount the Two Bros exhaust and we'll get this one on. And of course, we're gonna get a sound clip from the Two Bros exhaust and then the BOS exhaust. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's the moment of truth. We're gonna listen to the differences between these two, but I'll tell you guys, I couldn't help myself. I already removed the silencer. I was just like, look, it's just gotta come out. It's just, I might as well take it out now, right? But what's super cool is they give you the grate, the little cheese grater, or you can have the open end, whichever you prefer. Kind of like the cheese grater look. So that's how we're gonna throw it on. But let's get this thing fired up with the BOS exhaust. And let's see how this thing sounds on a cold start with it. I'm not gonna let it run too long because of course it's gonna be piping hot. But this is BOS exhaust with the BOS header. So let's see what this thing sounds like. It almost sounds like an airplane. I absolutely love the sound. It's such a unique sound. There's no other bike in the collection sounds like this, so I love it. Give it a little wrap real quick on you. So absolutely everyone that's heard this, they hear it fire up and they go, ooh, that's loud. And then I wrap it, and when you wrap this thing, your eardrums like bust and you basically just start bleeding from your ears. I'm telling you, this thing is ridiculously loud. So if you guys are interested in this pipe, let me know. So let's go ahead. It's really easy to get off. It's one bolt down here, one bolt out here. This thing's gonna slide off. We're gonna slide the new one on, get it adjusted and everything. And let's hear how the BOS exhaust sounds on the BOS header. Oh, hey, you guys are still here. Well, good thing, because I haven't fired it up yet. Super easy to install, super easy. Bolt, basically the clamp, it comes with all the connectors. So if you do have the cat delete, you can actually, it's got the connector for the cat delete, but it will bolt up to the cat, so it's in the same position, just like the R9T Racer. And like I said, it's real nice that they sent you this little extra titanium. They could have given you the option either or, but oh, maybe we'll switch it up. Maybe we'll go to this later or something. But it's a little bigger than I expected, a little bigger than I thought. But it's nice because it actually mounts up a little bit higher. That other pipe was kind of a little bit more in the middle of the wheel. I kind of like that old RS1200. I believe it was the RS1200. Correct me if I'm wrong down. Well, I know you guys will correct me if I'm wrong. Where the exhaust was mounted on the other side, and it really opened that open swing arm, the single-sided swing arm. I wish that the R9T had the exhaust mounted on the other side. BOS, do you guys want to make me a new header? Mounted on the other side. So cold start. Wipe her down. Let's see what the new BOS exhaust, full exhaust system, finally, after months of waiting. Already, it's a much milder tone, but it's got a much deeper growl to it. Let's see if it cracks like the other one. I don't know what to say. Ooh, baby. Alright guys. So that's it. The new BOS Performance exhaust complete with header, Boxercup, limited edition muffler, BOS exhaust. Thank you so much. I appreciate the beautiful work you guys did. And thanks for getting it out to me. when you did. But I love it, guys. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested in the Two Bros exhaust. Like I said, the thing is like brand spanking new. And this thing was like, it wasn't cheap. I had to buy this thing. I might just keep it. All right, guys. Thanks for sticking around. R9T Racer, guys. Thank you for your support. I know you guys are out there. Street Fighter, guys, if you guys are here, stay tuned because it's going to be back on the lift tonight to get the wings taken off. So thank you guys, of course, as always, for all the support that you guys have on the channel. Comment down below if you guys got any questions. Smash that like button. You know that like button is more important than you guys know, so smash it right now. Make it turn blue. And, of course, subscribe. I know you guys are all subscribed. And we'll get this thing, don't worry. We'll get this thing out on the road soon. I just can't get off that thing. That thing is just, but this thing is just, it's just, we'll get on it. So thanks, guys. We'll see you next video. See you soon.